Hi, welcome to MarineMax in Lindenhurst, New York. Climb aboard the new Boston Whaler 33 Outrage. First thing, it's a twin engine boat, twin 300 V8s, Mercuries. As we walk on board, see there's a boarding ladder if you were in the water coming in and out. There's a sprayer on the starboard side. This is where the live well is on the boat. Plenty big for any of the baits you carry. 3 rod holders across the stern, 3 on the starboard side, 1 port, and another 5 up on the hardtop. This is a unique seat that Whaler designed. It's aft facing, and it turns into a table as well. Cooler storage underneath. Aft seat that pulls out and folds away. In this compartment, the lazarette, we have an aft table storage for pails, all of the pumps and wiring, fuel filters, battery charger, everything's accessible to get to. Outrage has plenty of room for your fish, for your catch, in the starboard side and port side fish boats. Also have tow rails to hold you into the fishing. 2 bucket seats, a single at the helm, a double to starboard with an armrest, flip up bolsters. This boat also comes with a rising deck pad, 2 big pieces of electronics, digital shift. This boat is a joystick boat, so you have a joystick handle with skyhook and autopilot built in. Steering wheel with speed knob, and it's also a tilt wheel. Right here in the starboard gunnel, this is where your keys are kept, and the battery switches. It's for very easy access. Water fill on the starboard side, fuel fill on the port side. As we move forward, port and starboard has fold-out trolling seats. Generous room in the head with a vacuum flush system. If you notice, there's a ladder here in its built-in storage case, and that is for the port side transom door that we'll go look at right now. Actually, it's not a transom door, I'm sorry, it's the port side entry. This is the grab handle. You also have freshwater and saltwater washdown. As we move forward, 3-side glass in your T-top, hardtop, with a vent window above. Stereo, which I don't think I mentioned before, as well. Forward-facing lounge seat with storage underneath. Storage, again, very generous. In the deck, we have another compartment that you could use for fish storage, and it's macerated. Forward seating in the Whaler here, with another compartment for storage. As we move all the way to the bow, we have a windlass. This boat has stainless steel anchor, and it has a controller here as well. with a wash down spigot here. As you're bringing the anchor in, you can wash it down. That's the 33 Outrage. Come down to Lindenhurst and check it out. Come see MarineMax.